Hey guys, Dr. Dan here. So let me explain to you why you had that rounding in the mid-back, maybe that hump at that lower part of your neck or that anterior head carriage in there, and how to get rid of it. So number one, you want to get adjusted. Whether you have pain or not, you can have subluxations in your spine affecting these nerves, causing dysfunction in the body. Also, if those joints are out of alignment, we're not going to be able to get that spine back to where it should be. It's going to be restricted, all right? Number two, we want to stretch specific muscles and we want to strengthen specific muscles. Ideally, what we want to do is stretch the muscles in the front of the neck and stretch the pec muscles. That's going to help allow the shoulders to go back. We want to strengthen the back of the neck muscles, the traps, and everything in the mid-back here. So that's going to help pull those shoulders back. We want to have muscle balance. Usually, the muscles in the front of the body are too strong and the muscles in the back of the body are too weak. So there's muscle imbalance, so we're being pulled forward. So if we stretch the front, strengthen the back, that will help bring the shoulders back, help you stand up straighter, and have a better posture. There you have it.